In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to write variable equations using a word problem. So if you have a word problem like this that says, Sienna got out her blue balls. She mixed them together with her 10 green balls. When she counted all the balls together, she had 30 balls. Write the equation for this word problem. So what you have to remember, and this is very important, a variable is an unknown number. So we're trying to solve this word problem and find the unknown number. So if we look here, 30 is the total number of balls, 10 is the number of green balls, and y is the number of blue balls. This is the variable we are trying to solve because we don't know how many blue balls we have. This is the one that we're trying to solve. So we know 30 is the total number of balls, but how do you get to 30? You would have to add the green balls and blue balls together. So if you think of that, that's pretty simple, right? It would be number of blue balls plus number of green balls equals the total number of balls. So now what we do is we put the numbers in instead of these words for this equation. So it would look like this. Why? Because we don't know the number of blue balls. The number of blue balls is y. So y plus number of green balls is 10. And then equals total number of balls, which is 30, right here. So this is the equation. Y plus 10 equals 30. So you could just pause this video and just look at this whole sequence of steps. And then if you still don't understand it, just start the video again and review it. You will understand it once you see it a couple times.